Are you ready to unleash your inner gamer? Today, we are reviewing the beastly HP Omen gaming laptop, packed with top-notch specs that'll take your gaming experience to the next level. This sleek and powerful machine is a true powerhouse, boasting an impressive array of cutting-edge specs that make it a force to be reckoned with. At its heart lies the mighty AMD Ryzen 7 7840H processor, a behemoth of a CPU that delivers lightning-fast performance and effortless multitasking. With its 8 cores and 16 threads, this processor is capable of handling even the most demanding tasks with ease, making it perfect for gamers, content creators, and anyone who needs a laptop that can keep up with their busy lifestyle. But that's not all. This laptop also comes equipped with a whopping 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, providing ample memory for running multiple applications simultaneously without any slowdown or lag. Whether you're working on a complex project, streaming your favorite games, or simply browsing the web, this laptop's generous RAM allocation ensures that you can do it all with ease and confidence. And if that wasn't enough, this laptop also features a massive 1TB SSD, providing lightning-fast loading times and instant access to your files and programs. With its blazing fast read and write speeds, this SSD makes quick work of even the most demanding tasks, allowing you to work, play, and create with unparalleled speed and efficiency. Whether you're loading up your favorite games, editing videos, or simply starting up your laptop, this SSD delivers the kind of performance that will leave you breathless. The 16.1-inch FHD IPS display is a true showstopper, offering stunning visuals that will leave you mesmerized. With a resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels, this display delivers crisp and clear images, making it perfect for gaming, video streaming, and even professional applications like photo editing and video production. But what really sets this display apart is its incredible 165Hz refresh rate. This means that the display can refresh the image on the screen 165 times per second, resulting in silky smooth visuals that are free from motion blur and artifacts. Whether you're playing fast-paced games, watching action-packed movies, or simply scrolling through web pages, this display's high refresh rate ensures that the visuals are always smooth and seamless. And if that wasn't enough, this display also boasts an impressive 300 nits of brightness. This means that the display can produce a wide range of colors, from deep blacks to vibrant whites, resulting in an incredibly immersive viewing experience. Whether you're working in a bright office or gaming in a dark room, this display's high brightness ensures that the visuals are always clear and visible. Other notable features include a responsive RGB keyboard with a 7 milliseconds response time, Windows 11, and a durable design that weighs just 2.32 kilograms. So, is the HP Omen gaming laptop worth the investment? With its impressive specs and features, we think it's a solid choice for serious gamers. Get yours now for price 1,12,990. Link in description below. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.